Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to open up this Hobonichi box and I have had it for I think at least a week. My family came to visit, so it's been very busy for me, but I waited so I can go ahead and open it up online. So I want to share this with you. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of planner and journal videos and enjoy sharing my stylogy and Hobonichi and how I'm using it. So if you hear a loud thunder, it is storming outside. So if you hear that, if you hear the thunder, that's what that is. All right, so let's get right to it. So I'm so excited to be opening up this box. And I've been looking at videos and you already got a sneak peek. Wow, that pink is bright and I was not expecting it to be that bright. So this is my first A6 item from Hobonichi. So this is the cover of the Liberty fabric and it's called Betsy, and it is definitely neon. I haven't really seen any videos with this cover, so I have been watching tons of videos, and I know it's a lot of people are getting weeks, and I actually decided not to get a weeks this year. So yeah, so back to this. So it is a purple, pretty lavender, I should say. No, lilac, lavender. And oh wow, it feels nice. So the thing was, I bought a cover to go on top, but apparently it's not gonna fit on here. So I'm probably, I guess, gonna try anyways, but it's saying, at least for my other cover, that it will not fit on. So that's the beautiful Liberty fabric cover. And here's some information. If you want to pause, then you can pause and see that. But that is beautiful. I was honestly, I know it says neon, but I was not expecting the flowers to be that bright. I kind of wish they would have toned that down and kept it just a muted color, but at least it's just a few, but it feels really nice. So it is a fabric because it's the Liberty fabric based out of London. So yes, that feels really nice. It's a different from, I guess, like the, is it vinyl feel or whatever they usually use for their covers. So I got that. And I guess I'll share what covers I got really quick. I also received I forgot what this one is called, but this beautiful cover. I really like the blue inside. So I know there were several unboxings for this cover, but I'll take it out really quick. And it has a pretty ombre effect. And I wanted some covers that I can use like for springtime. So that is printed on there. Yeah, this feels like, I guess, like a vinyl. I think that's what the material is. And I actually like how this feels. Feels really nice. But this is really pretty too. So this is the it's Small White Butterfly from an album by Shabata. I ain't even gonna butcher that. Here's the information. If you would like to read that, you can pause it. And that is my second A6 cover. Beautiful cover. And these little, this is how that looks. And let me see this one. Let's see how these look. Okay, it's just that shape. Okay, all right. And next is my A6 cover. The thunder is so loud. Oh, this is beautiful. And this is also Liberty fabric, Betsy neon blue which I like that. That is so pretty. I like the soft blue inside. Sorry for the crinkling. Wow, it feels so nice. Now this material feels really nice. So I'm wondering, like, as far as wiping it down or whatever, how that works. So I'm gonna have to look into that. And this is like so this one is a plastic, interesting. It's a plastic fill. And this one is a material. So that is the beautiful, this is my only A5 Hobonichi cover. And I'm probably going to keep it that way because I'm trying not to get too many covers. I more want it for like the springtime. Let's see, let's put these like this for the springtime. And then next, let's see what else. And this is just a piece of paper on top. These are the freebies. And I am going to show you what I have. I have the A6 Techo. So this is the one that has the 2 books for the year. I'm not going to open it up because I'm going to do another video where I'm going to share how I'm going to use these. So this will be my everyday planner. And then I have this day free. And I decided that right now I'm carrying a B6 Stylogy for my sermon notes, but I decided to go smaller because I like that I can take this everywhere. So I will share my setup. And the main reason why I did not get just a blank plain notebook is because I want the dates, the calendar, so I can mark down the events that are going on at my church. And last but not least, I got the day free A5. And that's where there's no dates except monthly calendar. And I'm going to use this for my, I'm thinking for like my Bible notes. So yeah, but that is it. And then I got this freebie. I got a pen. And I got this bag, which I know a lot of people have already shown. So that is it with my box. I believe, let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Did I get, oh, never mind. I was wondering if I got more pens. Yes. So I have 3 pens. And because I'm so excited, I actually have finally, after all these years, reached 1,000 subscribers. I do want to do a giveaway, so I don't know what that looks like yet. This is part 1 of my video, so stay tuned for a giveaway because I do want to do a giveaway on my channel because I'm so excited for the milestone of 1,000. I know that's not much compared to a lot of YouTubers, but I'm excited about that. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I will do another video on how I'm going to use or my setup for my Avec and my 2-day freeze. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a blessed day. Bye.